What if your presentation could speak without shouting? This is my brand new minimal design PowerPoint template, built to prove that simplicity isn't silence, it's confidence. Today, I'll show you how this template turns your slides from average to exceptional. The result? These 18 slides, modern, calm, and focused. Section 1. The idea behind it. When I started designing this template, my goal was simple: to let every slide breathe. Every line, curve, and space are intentional. It's not about removing elements, it's about keeping only what matters. Section 2. Structure and flow. I use a balance of black and white to create contrast and rhythm, and followed a simple numeric rule: 70-30, 17% white or light space for breathing, and black or dark elements 30% for focus and guiding the viewer's eyes without any visual noise. This template works perfectly for design and UX presentation, creative portfolios, brand or product showcase, and so on. But how can you customize this template to fit your needs? Let's talk about how easy it is. For text, you can add, remove, or change their places just by clicking. And now I click Ctrl-Z and everything returns. For pictures, you can delete the default picture, click Insert, and add your picture from file. Also, you can change and fit its position using crop button in shape format. Move it to each side you want. Also, you can change charts and numbers. Click on a chart and in Chart Design, select Edit Data, and now you can change the values in Excel, and you can see the visuals updates instantly. The best part is about changing the template's color to match your brand. In Design tab, Variant, Colors, and pick from the present palettes. The whole deck adjusts instantly, no matter what color: green, blue, purple, or I like black. Now let me show you something fun. Here's a completely simple slide without any design. Watch this. I go to the Layout menu and choose one of the layout. And just in a second, it's completely transformed. Now just drag or insert a clean image and drop it in this place. Now that useless slide becomes something elegant. Thank you so much. If you want your next presentation to look calm, confident, and unforgettable, download this template. The link is in description. Try it yourself and tell me in the comment what kind of design transformation you want me to create next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next week, next trick. Bye!